Welcome back to 50 Car. Some vehicles whisper change, others carry it in 8 seats and a battery. The 2026 Ford e-Tourneo doesn't just shift gears, it redefines how families and businesses move, think, and charge forward. This all-electric multi-purpose vehicle is Ford's quietest revolution yet, a refined people carrier wrapped in future-proof tech and road trip serenity. Main features. The 2026 Ford e-Tourneo is a full electric MPV built for large families or executive shuttling. It offers up to 218 horsepower, a 74 kilowatt-hour battery, fast charging, and over 200 miles of range. Key features include advanced driver assistance systems, a smart rear seating layout, and a near-silent drive. Exterior design. The front fascia is bold yet functional, with a smooth closed grille framed by C-shaped LED headlamps. The short overhang and sculpted hood enhance aerodynamics. Its boxy silhouette is softened by sliding rear doors, blacked-out pillars, and large glass panels. A high roofline hints at interior spaciousness. Pros: practical, modern styling, aerodynamic efficiency, easy rear access. Cons: slightly utilitarian from certain angles, lacks sporty lines. Interior and dashboard design. Inside, the e-Tourneo is more lounge than van. A 13-inch SYNC 4 touchscreen floats in a clean, minimalist dash. Seating is modular, rear rows slide, fold, or even remove. Material choices lean premium, recycled textiles, soft-touch plastics, and ambient lighting. USB-C ports are everywhere. Pros: cavernous space, tech-rich dash, supreme comfort. Cons: no wireless Android Auto yet. Digital climate controls may confuse older drivers. Performance. A 218 horsepower electric motor powers the front wheels with 0-60 miles per hour in under 10 seconds, not blazing, but steady and silent. The ride is smooth, the steering light, and it maneuvers like a smaller SUV. Reg and braking is strong, but takes practice. Fast charging adds road trip credibility. Pros: smooth, quiet ride, confident city handling, fast charge speeds. Cons: range anxiety possible on long trips, limited top speed. Some users report early, wear on brake pads. Market positioning. Priced from around $55,000, the e-Tourneo targets eco-minded families and urban transport services. Rivals include the VW ID, Buzz, and Mercedes EQV, but Ford wins on modularity and value. Most buyers are 35-65, needing space, safety, and sustainability in one neat package. Additional features. Key extras include a panoramic sunroof, power sliding doors, Bando premium audio, roof rails, and over-the-air software updates. Warranty: 8 years 100,000 miles for battery, 3 years 36,000 miles bumper to bumper. Accessories: child seat-ready anchors, portable chargers, and mobile app preconditioning.